Broken.
Dito, may tao pa dito.
Ultra One, a
Uy,
squad
dito.
mate is down.
Mr.
G, Mr. G.
Ha?
One kill.
Mr. G,
Put a
Mr. G.
contract on your head. Engage at your discretion.
Mr. G yung pinatay natin. Mr. G, Mr. G.
Nandiyan si Mr. J o iba yan?
Ay, bago! Patay ko yung isa pre. Mr. G na patay ko si Mr. G.
Ultra One, we're seeing increased activity in the area. Stay sharp.
Kunin
Isa
mo
na
ako.
lang yan. Pero may tumatakbo ah.
Hindi tao.
Huwag ka lang.
Ultra One,
La.
you are taking effective fire. Ultra One, a squad mate is down.
Meron sa bubong, Dave. Meron sa bubong mo. Ay, si
Ah, may
Caster
isa din
to.
pala sa bubong.
Hindi, si Caster yun. Likod. Silipin nyo na.
Squad of operators.
Andiyan sa baba. Andyan.
Isa na lang yan.
Ilalim mo, Tobs. Ilalim mo, Caster.
Okay, baba ka dyan, Caster. Nakikita mo yan dyan.
Ayun na.
Ay, gago, dalawa!
Dalawa. Isa.
Nice one. Okay, talon. Talonin mo. Bulag. Nice one.
Oy!
Sniper!
Sad.
Sniper! Highway! Harap lang! Ito na, harap na natin! Squad!
Ultra One, enemy threat is moderate in the AO.
Wala makita.
All Ultra be advised, killing operators
One down.
will mark you as a bounty target.
Finish one. Meron pa isa pa.
Patay ko na yung isa eh.
Hostiles deploy the bomb drone.
Bound drone, inbound. Cover. Popping UAV.
Dito galing.
Sa highway.
Is down.
Dito na.
Taking effective fire.
Yun siya.
Ultra One, activity is increasing near your location. Stay alert.
Dito. Ilalim na try.
Ultra One, we're seeing enemy operators near your location.
Sige.
Be advised, UAV. Ultra One, a squad
Ito.
mate is down. You are taking effective fire.
Likod ng pintuan.
I'm dead.
Contract on your head. Engage at your discretion.
A few moments later.
The fuck out of here.
Many of us will put a bounty contract on your head.
PMC. Saan ba yung galing? Nilimos lahat ang gamit.
Squad member bleeding out. They need a revive.
Tapos kunin natin yan. Hindi, winasa ko. Ay, winasa ko. Dali. Tara. Sige, takbo lang.
Lakad.
Tayo kaya mabalin yan.
Baka naka-joker yun. Baka kinuha yung joker ko.
broken.
Wait a minute.
Tara, takbo ka agad tayo. Dali. Tara.